Picking corn. Say, the combine ain't filling up that fast, is it, Wesley? Corn didn't do much this year. I think this field was planted May 2nd. Did not get the rain that it needed. Get it off and get ready for next year. That's all you can do. Turn the cows in here, get some grazing off the corn stalks. Cover crop will go in as well after we get it harvested. Cows are getting that field cleaned up over there. They're out in that front field right now. Probably some of the worst corn I've ever cut. It is some of the worst corn I've ever cut. You're a monkey. Hey. Shh. Being noisy. Can't even fill up the combine. Oh, yeah. 60% engine load. This is where you need a 12-row head. Hey, this 8 series combine doesn't quite get filled up with an 8-row head, even in 250 plus bushel corn. 12-row would probably fill it up a lot better. Plus it'd be easier cutting since we got a 12-row planter. Sometimes the end rows on turns can be a little fun to cut when you get off centered. An 8-row corn head on a 12-row planter, but it works. Maybe we'll get a 12-row next corn head, hopefully. Get done a lot quicker too. If we can keep it away from the combine, that's the thing. Combine fills up pretty quick with a 12-row head. Spelled down with this field, got 5 acres left. About 100, which is less than half that we should be getting off of it if it was a normal year. Usually get over 200 pretty easy on non-irrigated ground on a decent year, but not this year. Not near what it should have done. And who knows, maybe if we planted it a month or two later, maybe it'd have done better, but who knows? That's part of the risk you take. But at least you can get it off sooner when you plant earlier and get your cover crop out here, get the cows out here grazing it, and before the weather gets finicky, funny in the wintertime. But that's farming. If it was easy, everybody'd be doing it. Last pass. Today is November 6th, the day after the election. Good day to be an American. Old Mr. Trumpy's getting back in the White House. Get this country back to how it should be. And that's the last of the corn. Hopefully next year will be better. It will be with DJT in the White House, that's for sure. Sorry, liberals. Past 4 years have been a bunch of nonsense. If you ain't awake by now to what these far left, deep state loonies have been doing to us for who knows how long, you better wake up. But even then, it ain't rocket science to see what candidate had better policies. But anyways, see if we can multitask. I'm honestly surprised they didn't try any shenanigans last night. I think it was too big to rig, though. Too big to rig. If it was closer, they'd have probably cheated, but not this time. See if we lose any subscribers that are Democrats. That's alright. And that's a wrap.